Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm just going to talk about CCleaner, so how you can download it. So in order to download it, you can go to the official website ccleaner.com/download. I'll keep the link in the video description as well, so you can go there and you have an option to go for the trial version. So you don't have to go for the pro directly, you can go for the trial version for 14 days and check it out if it works for you. So this particular software will be going to remove all the junk files and clean up and optimize your PC. So I personally use it. So as you can see, I have just activated a trial version and it is giving me like 40 days remaining. So yeah, we have plenty of days to check it out and see if it works for you. So like if I have to remove all the junk files, I have to do the random tick box are there. I just click on analyze. It's going to check all your temporary files on your web browsers which has been stored and try to clean it out for you. Same things is for registry and other few options are there. You can just see whichever things works for you, and yeah, it definitely gonna help you out if you have a very slow PC. And just let me know in the comment down below, and leave a like and subscribe to the channel as well if you like this video. Alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.